Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet One. I wanted to do a review of the electric power spreader that we purchased over the winter time. I had briefly shown you guys the spreader when I was there with the owner Mike from Power Spreaders down in Florida. And we've had a couple months to use this thing, and I wanted to give my feedback and kind of go over what I like about it and kind of share that with you. So let me go ahead get this thing off of our carrier. I do like this thing has a forward and a reverse. Makes it easy to get on and off the carrier. So let me take it out here in the grass and I'll show it to you. Alright, so before we were using a manual spreader made by Spiker Spreaders. It worked fine, but it's just really difficult in the summer, especially the kind of heat we have here in the southeast and the humidity. It's just really difficult to push a manual spreader through the thick grass. So having this thing has really made a big difference. It's got a Lesco hopper on it. I believe it's a 50-pound hopper. Might be 80, but I believe it's a 50-pound hopper. Things I really like about it is one, it's made life much easier, not having to manually push 50 to 75 pounds of fertilizer through the grass. You just pull the handle and it goes, so it's made that a lot easier. It's really easy to maneuver with these caster wheels, so it's really easy to turn around and kind of maneuver where you need to. I really love the pattern that it throws. It throws a nice wide pattern. I also like that down inside here, it has mechanical agitation. So it actually, it actually breaks up your fertilizer. So I haven't had any issues with clumping and stuff like that I've had with a manual spreader. So, nice spreader overall. As far as battery wise, it's got a lithium ion battery, and this battery will outlast anybody, any amount of work that you can put it through in a day. I think Mike, the owner, said this thing will do over 200,000 square feet, and we haven't even been able to use half the battery in a single day. So as far as battery goes, I wish our mowers and our trimmers and everything had the runtime that this thing does, but this thing actually runs all day. Real easy to plug in when you get back. It's got a 24-volt battery and a small 24-volt charger, but I really like it. I'll if you want to come around here, I'll do a couple passes. If you want to walk around here, bud. Okay. I'll do a couple passes with you, kind of show you how it works. All right, coming back to you. So nice and maneuverable, very good spreading pattern. Built very solidly, very high quality stainless steel components. The owner, Mike, has been extremely responsive. Anytime we've had a little question or something, that we weren't sure about, I could just text him or call him and he would respond immediately. So, I know he's been making these, at least the gas versions, for more than a decade. He has his own big lawn care business. So, I can't say enough about these. If you're looking to make life easier for your guys, if you guys are manually spreading right now, I highly recommend looking at these. I don't even know why you would purchase a gas one anymore because these things are so good and they're quiet and, very reliable, fewer parts, and just easier to work with. So that's my review on this thing. I'll leave a link to his website in the description below, and let me know if what you think about it.